everyone, under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat project, our Delhi government has given the state Sikkim to explore. Did you know Sikkim is the cleanest place in India? How the people clean their state Sikkim? Because they follow 5 R's of conservation. Let us see what are the 5 R's of conservation.
Group members are Vinit Singh, Anshul Gupta, Rahul Sharma, Shubham Das, Shivam Kotnala and Bhavishya. Parts of conservation are reduce, refuse, reuse, repair and recycle. Let's save the world together because Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat.
You know, the refuse is the first element of 5 R's hierarchy. Learning to refuse waste can take some practice, but incorporating this step is the most effective way to minimize waste. Talk to your friends, your teachers, your parents, and your neighbors about refusing to buy wasteful or non-recyclable products. When you buy any item from vendor, refuse unnecessary product packaging and request a reusable and returnable containers. Making smarter purchasing decisions and setting standards and expectations early in the process make it easier to refuse waste in the first place.
One of the bigger reasons to reduce waste is to conserve space in our landfills and reduce the need to build more landfills, which take up valuable space and are a source of air and water pollution. By reducing our waste, we are also conserving our resources. Sikkim, which in 1998 became the first Indian state to ban disposable plastic bags, is also among the first to target single-use plastic ban. By this step, Sikkim reduced the plastic ban.
Reusing is the act of taking old items that you might consider throwing away and finding a new use for them. Did you know in Sikkim, the use of plates and cutlery made of leaves, sugarcane bagasse and bamboo is being encouraged? That is the step of reusing the things.
Repair is an important element in living a zero waste lifestyle. Is making sure that we do not fall into the trap of disposing of something that is broken before we make an attempt to fix it. Of course, there will always be things that cannot be easily be fixed by an amateur, for example, electronic product etc. There are however plenty of things that end up in landfills each year that could easily have been repaired. As mentioned above, old item can be swapped or sold or turned into something new, but sometimes keeping something from becoming waste is as simple as a small repair. Moving towards a sustainable lifestyle is sometimes about learning some new skills that will allow you to keeping things going for longer.
Recycling means capturing material that would otherwise go to waste in order to save natural resources and the energy that is used to extract and transform natural resources into finished products. Do you know, in Sikkim, according to Gururang, even the municipal staff is doing multiple rounds of garbage collection daily in the morning. 20% to 30% of waste gets recycled.
We hope that you understand these 5 R's, and by these 5 R's you can clean our Delhi as Sikkim.
Hope you found this video interesting and you get to learn a new thing. Thanks for watching.